How did they achieve it? These hopeful migrants arrived with little more than dreams. Their pockets were nearly empty, yet they profoundly shaped a nation's fortunes. Chinese Tycoons in the Philippines, a journey of influence and legacy. Their journey began on crowded ships, not as conquerors, but as ordinary people fleeing turmoil or seeking opportunity. The Philippines beckoned with tales of promise. They stepped onto unfamiliar shores, hearts full of hope, their only currency. Life was harsh. Discrimination, language barriers, and unfamiliar customs made survival difficult. Many started as street vendors, small shopkeepers, or laborers in bustling districts like Binondo. Amid the struggle, seeds of future empires were sown. Frugality and relentless hard work became their doctrine. They toiled from dawn till dusk, saving every centavo. Patience and perseverance were their shields. They understood the value of slow accumulation, building better futures one cautious step at a time. For families present and those left behind, every sacrifice mattered. The Philippines, a land of constant flux. Each era, Spanish-American independence, brought new challenges and opportunities. These transitions created dynamic economic landscapes for the astute Chinese entrepreneur. The post-World War II era was transformative. The nation needed rebuilding. Demand for goods and services soared. Those with small businesses were ready to expand. They ventured into manufacturing, real estate, and finance, shaping new markets. Calculated risks became their hallmark. The classic story, a young immigrant sells surplus goods, reinvests profits, and slowly expands. This journey of incremental growth played out across the archipelago. They learned to navigate complex social and political currents. Building relationships and embracing pakikisama, smooth interpersonal relations, was key. Integration into the community was vital for long-term success. From humble beginnings, titans of industry emerged. Names like Henry Tsai, who started with a small shoe store in Quiapo after World War II, now define retail. Shoe Mart became a vast empire of malls, banks, and real estate. John Gokongwei Jr. began trading goods on a bicycle, then by boat, overcoming hardship to build a diversified conglomerate. Lucio Tan rose from factory worker to head of a business group spanning tobacco, banking, aviation, and spirits. These were not overnight successes. They built enduring institutions, not just businesses. Common traits: relentless hard work, frugality, bold investments, and unwavering focus. They learned from setbacks and kept their eyes on ambitious goals. Their rise was a testament to grit. Their stories inspired generations. They proved that perseverance and vision could transform lives. Their legacies continue to shape the nation. The rewards for their relentless efforts were immense. They built vast business empires from scratch, providing vital employment for Filipinos. Their companies became pillars of the Philippine Stock Exchange. Influence extended beyond business, into society itself. Yet their path was fraught with challenges: economic downturns, political instability, and social resentment. Competition was fierce, and navigating regulations required skill and patience. Family unity and succession were constant concerns. Transitioning from founding visionaries to the next generation was delicate. Many worked to instill values of diligence and prudence in their heirs. With great wealth came responsibility. Philanthropy became a way to give back: foundations, scholarships, schools, and hospitals. This was more than public relations. It was a genuine desire to help. Their impact reached far beyond boardrooms. They shaped communities and futures. The legacy of these Chinese Filipino tycoons is undeniable. Their influence is etched into the Philippine landscape. Malls, banks, airlines, and food brands all bear their imprint. But their true legacy is woven into the aspirations of ordinary Filipinos. Their rags-to-riches stories inspire entrepreneurs across the nation. The can-do spirit they embodied is now an aspirational model. The story is far from over. New generations are taking the helm, while fresh entrepreneurs emerge with global ambitions. The interplay of tradition and innovation continues to shape the business landscape. The ongoing saga promises many more tales, worth exploring, sharing, and discussing.